Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch and I am back with another unboxing. Right, so what do we have in the box, guys? So you know what, I've cheated the video. I've taken a look at the content of the box just to make sure that I've got the exact watch. So yeah, I've cheated a bit, just take a quick sneak peek, but yeah, luckily I've got the correct watch. Right, so before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my buddy's Mr. WK at or Chrono or better known as Chrono.path on Instagram. So he loaned me this awesome Zin 556. I have done a review for this particular watch and I wanted to upload that video first, but this thing came in the mailbox and I have got to do this because I wanted to share with you guys, and also I really wanted to review this particular awesome watch brand, a micro brand from Singapore. And maybe you guys have already known it in the title. This is the Zelos, right? But which Zelos that I've got, by the way, guys, it's called Zelos, not Zelos, right? So let's say it properly, Zelos, right? So anyway, let's see what model that we have here, and this is your usual box. But I've actually saw some people unbox this watch in the Zelos Timekeepers Facebook group, and it's actually a new box, not the old box that Zelos usually send to their customers, right? So let's check out what's in the box. Right, so normally those Zelos comes with a very tight sleeve, but this one, as you can see here, it's a bit too loose, right? So right, that is a box. There's another box inside a box. So this is the sleeve, right? So immediately you can see that this box is actually a bit thinner compared to the usual Zelos box. So we have this sleeve here. It's a bit quite easy, nothing new. So just a simple cardboard sleeve, right? So we have this, I don't know, man. Oh my god, I've got a cracked one. Okay, so is this under warranty, Elshan? I'm not really sure, but maybe it was damaged during the transportation. I have no idea, but you can see that, oh man, this is not exactly the high quality box that I used to see on other videos that is available on YouTube. And there's also a comment on the one of the Facebook guys in the Zelos Timekeepers Facebook saying that this box is not as high quality as the one, and it looks rather cheap compared to the previous one. But yeah, you know what, you can't really complain. Anyway, so the old box used to be a bit tall because it contains a different type of watch pouch inside, right? So let's, okay, so we have a magnet here, so that when you close it, it will I don't know, it doesn't really close properly, right? Maybe if we take out, nice pouch, by the way. If you take it out, and yep, it closed properly. Yeah, so let's put it at the back, right, like that. So while this is still inside the frame, right? So we have a watch pouch. This is nice. I have no idea whether this is a faux leather or a genuine leather. I'm not really sure, but a nicely stamped Zelos logo here, and we have a simple zipper. I don't think that this is waterproof, guys. So yeah, let's, I don't know, maybe I should test it. I don't think so. Right, so properly nicely covered here. It is a simple watch pouch, right? Okay, so there is the watch itself, but we will take a look at that later. We have a simple, if the outside feels leathery or maybe a leatherette, this one is a simple what do you call this, a fabric, so it's not leather, it's not even canvas. So yeah, it's quite tight, and we have a button here. The thing is, I don't know, some mention inside the Zelos Facebook group, Zelos Timekeepers Facebook group, mentioning that if you are to carry 4 watches inside this pouch, you're gonna, I don't know, maybe your watch will got tons of scratches, so it is better to use this as a 2 watch pouch, and the other side you can just fit the straps or strap tools whatsoever, right? So we have these buttons here, and you can slide this what do you call this, I don't know, this adjuster here, right? It's the same at this side, right? So they have button, quite nice, but it's a bit too small in my opinion. All right, so we have this card, right, from Zelos. Okay, what is this? Zelos metal card. So zeloswatches.com, and it is signed February of 2021, signed with seller as a Zelos, and we have a serial number of 102. You know what, if let's say there's it's signed by El Shantang, I would be I would be really honored, but yeah, still it's okay, not that bad, right? So this is basically a 1 year limited warranty. So yeah, Jody from Just One More Watch has complained about this so many times before, so but yeah, it's still the most important thing is the watch itself, right? So let's see. All right, so okay, let's pull this one out, and boom, we've got the burgundy version, right? So this is the, is it called the red sand, or I can't really remember, red sand or burgundy. It's I think they have a name for this particular piece. So let's just put this one at the back there, so that it's still in focus. So wow, that is really nice, guys. Check out that burgundy dial, right? So this is the sand finish, or I don't know what, in the full review I will give you guys the name of this particular version, and it features a 40 millimeters in diameter. The lug to lug is 46 millimeters. So that is why I wear this zine, because I think these dimensions are almost similar. So this one is 38.5 with 46 millimeters lug to lug, and the thickness is just 12 millimeters. And this one, I think they mentioned in their website, is 12.5, something like that. So yeah, quite thin, man. For something that is using an NH35, this is very thin, right? So the lug width is 20 millimeters, so very nice. And check out that dial. Right, so let's give it a quick wipe. So check out that red sandy dial. It is in burgundy. You know what, I thought that this version would be like something like a fiery red, but it is much more darker than that. So yeah, I prefer this one comparing to the, you know what, the deep red that is on the Heimdallr monster that I've reviewed a few weeks back, also. But I kind of prefer this colorway, right? So we have a bit of how to say this, black in the outer side of the dial, and we have that white chaptering that I think we will see a BGW9 Lume chaptering there. You know what, that is not, is that printed on? Yep, I think that is printed on. Sorry guys, so that is a printed minute track, not actually a chaptering, right? So it's different thing altogether, right? So yeah, that is a printed minute track in white, and the dial is actually a sandwich dial. We have the cut off here, and the lume is actually under the dial, so that is using the C3X1 Super Luminova, and the hands, the second hands, and the hour hands, and also the minute hand are also printed in C3X1 Super Luminova, I think, right? So flat sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and this bezel here is ceramic, and it's quite nice to see. This is the first watch ever that I've seen using this kind of how do you call this, metal ring outside of the sapphire crystal. Yeah, that kind of, I don't know. So this is the first time I've ever handled a watch that is using this type of design, right? So let's check out the bezel action. Yeah, 120 click bezel, nice click action there. Let's see if it aligns properly. So come on Zelos, don't disappoint us. All right, so that is nice. Check that out, Seiko. So if Zelos can do this, why can't you guys, right? So the bracelet, okay, before we go for that, let's check out the case finishing here. The case finishing is mainly vertical brush on this side, and a vertical brush on the lugs itself. There's a bit of polishing on this particular side, and there's a polishing a bit under the bezel here. And that crown, I'm not really sure how big is the crown. Maybe it's about 6.5 millimeters, but I will confirm that during my full review. And let's check out the bracelets. Wow, that is really nice. Oh, I should have taken that a bit slow, right? So some of you guys love the sound of peeling off the stickers, so let's just do that much more slowly, right? Okay, let's just focus in a bit. Come on, focus. Right. How is that satisfying, guys? You guys are crazy, man. I have no idea. I don't really find that satisfying at all, right? So I have no idea why people like the sound of peeling stickers, but yeah, let's just do it again. Right, and then the other one at the back. Is that really satisfying? Come on, man. So weird, you guys. Okay, so there is another stickers inside here. Oh man. Alright, so we have a paper here. I think that's all. Oh, yeah, we have another one. Oh my, that is quite difficult to do. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it there. Right, so okay, so that is the bracelet. Beautiful bracelet, a bit thin. This bracelet somehow reminds me of the bracelet that I've checked out on the NTH. Yeah, almost similar in construction. Maybe they have been built by the same maker. I'm not really sure. Yeah, but quite a ton of links here. Maybe, yeah. Oh, we have a 6 micro adjust here. Okay, so I found a way to pick that one up. Okay, last one. Right. Okay, so I don't know, guys. Right, so let's check out the case back. We have that swordfish logo there with the sword, with an inscription of swordfish 40 to 200 meters and sapphire crystal and serial number of 102 out of 200. Right, so maybe Zelos produces 200 of each colorway. I have no idea. And the good thing is, check out that double push, double quick release pins. Very cool. Right, so let's see how it fits on my 6.75 inch wrist. Let's zoom out a bit. Right, zoom a bit more. Okay, my table is a mess right now. Okay, so let's see how it looks on my wrist and see how big is this bracelet actually. Oh wow, that's quite a lot. I reckon people with up to 8 inch wrist would fit this one properly. And check it out, the 40 millimeters in diameter and lug to lug of 46 millimeters looks really nice, and I think almost similar to this zin. I just love this zin because of the short lug to lug dimension. You know what? Yep, that is almost similar, right? So that is nice. Okay, so anyway, I reckon, yeah, this will definitely fit someone with 8 inches wrist, or maybe even 8.5. I'm not really sure, but I think I'm gonna have to take out quite a lot of links, maybe 4 or 5 links altogether. But yeah, still, I will do that. I will of course weigh this thing when I do the full review, right? All in all, very cool watch. Oh, I totally forgot, we have to check the lume, right? So that is the main attraction of the Zelos, right? So these guys produce super crazy good lume. Oh yes, the dead wheel, check out that, guys, check that out. We have a color match dead wheel, which is absolutely awesome, right? So let's see how this thing glows in the dark. Boom. Oh my god. So this is the C1 Super Luminova on the Zin, which is on my right, and on the left is the Zin. Oh, sorry, the Zelos, which is using a C3 X1 Super Luminova, and on the chaptering or minute track we have a BGW9 Lume, which is not really visible because I didn't really charge it out, so I can see it with my own eyes, but the camera can't see it. So anyway, we'll check. I will do a full Lume check when I do the full video for this particular video, right? So what do you guys think of Zelos as a brand? So I've heard so many things that is great about them, so I have to check it out. And yeah, this is what we've got. And so if you guys have any comments whatsoever, if or if you guys want to ask questions about this particular watch or Zelos as a brand, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to push the bell notification twice. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe guys. Bye bye.